Hello, everyone. How many of you woke up this morning feeling like today could be the day you start something extraordinary? Raise your hand if you've ever felt that pull, that urge to break free from the ordinary and embark on a journey toward greatness. Yes, I see hands. That's fantastic. And even if you didn't feel it today, by the end of this session, I promise you'll feel inspired to take charge of your future. Today, we're going to map out your one-year success plan together. Are you ready? Step 1, define your vision. Let's begin with a question. What does greatness look like to you? Take a moment, picture it in your mind. Is it achieving a career milestone, building deeper relationships, finally pursuing that passion project you've been putting off? Write it down. Yes, now. Grab a pen, open your notes app, whatever works for you. Define your greatness, your unique vision in a sentence. Keep it short but powerful. For example, I want to become a confident public speaker who inspires others. Or, I will launch my dream business within a year. Here's the thing about your vision. It's not just a destination, it's a guide. Every decision you make from now on should align with this vision. Let's add more depth. What values will you uphold during this journey? Perhaps it's integrity, persistence, or creativity. Let your values steer you. Still not sure about your vision? Try this exercise. Fast forward 1 year from today. Imagine you're looking back at your journey. What's the one achievement that would make you proudest? Write that down. It's a great starting point. Anyone brave enough to share? Pause for audience participation. Step 2, break it down now. Let's break that big vision into smaller, manageable goals. Think of these as stepping stones on the path to your success. Here's how. Divide your year into quarters, 3-month blocks. Set a clear, measurable goal for each quarter. For example, if your vision is to launch a business, your first quarter goal could be conducting market research. The second quarter goal might be creating a business plan. By quarter 3, you're prototyping or beta testing, and in the final quarter, you're ready for launch. Doesn't that make the journey feel less overwhelming? Let's hear from someone. What's one small step you can take toward your vision? Pause for audience responses. Let's take this further. Each quarterly goal can be broken down into monthly milestones. For instance, if your first quarter goal is market research, your January milestone could be identifying your target audience. February could focus on competitor analysis, and March on gathering feedback from potential customers. Bite-sized pieces make every goal achievable. Here's another tip. Use SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework ensures you're setting yourself up for success. Who's ready to share a quarterly goal they've just thought of? A pause for sharing. Step 3, build your habits. Success isn't built in a day, it's built daily. What habits can you commit to that align with your vision? For example, if your goal is health-related, maybe you commit to walking 10,000 steps daily or drinking 8 glasses of water. If your vision is professional growth, perhaps you dedicate 30 minutes each morning to reading industry trends or developing a skill. What's one habit you can start tomorrow? Say it out loud. Encourage audience to share. Habits are powerful because they compound over time. Imagine dedicating just 1% of your day to improvement. That's roughly 15 minutes. Over a year, those small increments add up to massive change. Consider habit stacking to make it even easier. For example, if you're trying to meditate daily, link it to an existing habit like brushing your teeth. After I brush my teeth, I'll meditate for 5 minutes. Let's also address willpower. It's a limited resource, so prioritize your habits early in the day when your energy is highest. And remember, it's okay to stumble. What matters is getting back on track. Can anyone share a habit they've successfully implemented? Pause for sharing. Step 4, cultivate a success mindset. Here's a truth. Your mindset determines your trajectory. Have you ever caught yourself thinking, I can't do this or I'm not good enough? Let's flip that script right now. Repeat after me. I am capable. I am resilient. I am unstoppable. Say it louder. Feel the power of those words. Your thoughts create your reality. Let's try a quick exercise. Close your eyes. Imagine yourself 1 year from now having achieved your goal. Visualize the details. Where are you? What are you doing? How do you feel? Pause for 30 seconds. Now open your eyes. That vision is your fuel. Mindset isn't just about affirmations. It's about resilience. Challenges will come, but each obstacle is an opportunity to grow. Remember, failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Adopt a growth mindset by asking, what can I learn from this every time you face adversity? Who's faced a recent challenge and turned it into a learning moment? Pause for audience contributions. Step 5, stay accountable. Greatness isn't a solo journey. Who can you enlist to hold you accountable? A mentor, a friend, a coach? And here's a fun idea. Find an accountability buddy in this room today. Turn to the person next to you and exchange contact details. Check in with each other monthly. Together, you're stronger. Accountability isn't just external. Track your own progress. Use journals, apps, or even a simple checklist. Reflect on your wins and identify areas where you can improve. Share your goals openly. It makes you more likely to follow through. Another idea, join a mastermind group. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals accelerates your growth. Who here has a support system they rely on? Let's hear about it. Pause for sharing. Step 6, celebrate small wins. We often wait until the end to celebrate, but why not savor the journey? Celebrate every milestone, completed your first quarter goal, treat yourself, overcame a fear, share your victory. What's one way you'll reward yourself this month? Pause for audience answers. Celebration fuels motivation. It's a reminder of how far you've come. Don't limit yourself to big wins. Celebrate showing up, staying consistent, and pushing through tough days. Create a win jar where you write down every success, big or small. By year's end, you'll have a jar full of achievements to reflect on. Anyone here already practiced celebrating small wins? Share your method. Pause for contributions. Step 7, reflect and adjust. Not every step will go as planned, and that's okay. What matters is learning from every experience. Set aside time each month to reflect. Ask yourself, what did I accomplish? What challenges did I face? How can I improve next month? Growth is a process, not perfection. Reflection isn't just about looking back. It's about looking forward. Use what you've learned to pivot and improve. Regular reflection keeps you aligned with your vision and ensures you're on the right path. Create a reflection ritual, perhaps a quiet Sunday evening with a journal and a cup of tea. Who here already has a reflection practice? Let's hear about it. Pause for sharing. As we come to the close of today's session, I want you to remember one thing. You have the power to transform your life. This one-year success plan is your starting point, your blueprint, but you are the architect. You have everything it takes within you to build the life you've always dreamed of. It starts right here, right now. This is more than just a plan. It's a call to action. It's a reminder that you are capable of achieving things you may have once thought impossible. The next 365 days are full of opportunities, and you have the strength, the mindset, and the drive to seize them all. So let's stop waiting for the right time, because that time is now. Today, in this very moment, you can make the decision to change the course of your life. You are no longer a passenger in your journey. You are the driver. The road ahead will have obstacles, but with every challenge, you will grow stronger. Every setback will be a lesson that propels you forward. Every triumph will bring you closer to the person you were always meant to become. So here's what I want you to do. Stand up tall, place your hand over your heart. Feel the pulse of your potential, your commitment, your power. Now, I want you to say this with me and say it with every ounce of belief in your soul. This is my year. I will take massive, consistent action. I will embrace every challenge, knowing it makes me stronger. I will rise above the obstacles, and I will succeed in ways I never thought possible. I am ready for greatness. Feel that energy? That's your future. That's the power of deciding right now to step into your greatness. Thank you, each and every one of you, for showing up today. The real work starts now. Together, we will make this year not just good, not just great, but extraordinary. It's time to make your vision a reality. Now go out there, create, conquer, and let this year be the one where everything changes.